Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram to one and all gathered here. We are honored to welcome you all to the inaugural edition of Bhakti Vijayam, a brainchild of Vidwan Chitradina Ganesh. Bhakti Vijayam, the victory of devotion. It's not just a celebration of music, it's a celebration of devotion's triumph. It spreads the powerful message that a complete devotion to whatever one does will lead them to the victory. This event pays homage to the profound connection between the artist and the divine, where music becomes a medium to express the deepest emotions and connect with the spiritual. What makes Bhakti Vijayam truly exceptional is its careful selection of songs dedicated to various deities. These compositions, crafted by talented composers of bygone eras, are infused with profound bhakti, deep devotion, inspiring the creation of musical treasures. Our aim with Bhakti Vijayam is to craft an immersive experience where the divine essence of these compositions isn't just heard, but deeply felt. So, sit back, relax, and prepare to be enthralled by these incredible talents that will grace this stage tonight. Without further ado, let the Bhakti Vijayam begin. Our journey begins with Omkara Rupa, a captivating composition by Sangeet Samrat Chitradina Shri Ravi Kiran sir for his Vinayaka Vaibhavam production that he composed. This masterpiece unfolds in the enchanting Vasanta Raga, known for its graceful and melodious nature. Vasanta mirrors the beauty of nature, and as you immerse yourself in the lilting tunes of Vasanta, you will experience the harmonious fusion of melody and emotion, inviting you to connect with the divineness of music. Oh